Hello, welcome to the instructions for Module 5. I want to remind you that you should be reading Chapter 4 of your OER and reviewing the PowerPoints for this chapter. And you will also be completing the usual module activities. This includes your discussion post and your Module 5 quiz. In addition to those assignments, you will also be taking your Unit 1 exam. Please remember that Unit 1 exam is going to be covering Chapters 1, 2, 3, and 4 of your OER. So you need to go back and review the key concepts from those chapters. I'd also like to suggest that you review your discussion posts from those modules, as well as your video response, as reviewing that information is going to be helpful for you as you prepare for this Unit 1 exam. Unit 1 exam has a specific due date. Make sure you take the exam before that due date passes. And also, Unit 1 exam is worth 100 points. Okay, let's talk a little bit about the focus for Module 5, which is consciousness. One major area of consciousness in the field of psychology is understanding the sleep cycle. I would like you to focus on the stages of non-REM sleep and REM sleep. Each of these different types of sleep serves unique value in our physical and psychological well-being. As a matter of fact, oftentimes students find themselves very busy, either with their coursework or job obligations, or maybe even family obligations. And oftentimes, students are sleep deprived. The research on consciousness shows us that you are more able to process information on a daily basis when you have the opportunity to sleep the correct amount of hours each night. Essentially, sleeping allows us to consolidate memory. This means moving information from short-term memory to long-term memory. We'll revisit memory when we reach that chapter in the OER later. One last thing I wanted to bring up about consciousness is the idea of altering consciousness. Oftentimes, when we think of altering consciousness, we think that we're referring to ingesting medication or recreational substances. In reality, there are other forms of altering consciousness. We have an incredible amount of control over our consciousness. Psychology provides us with an understanding that we can exert that control through various techniques. These techniques can include biofeedback, different forms of meditation, and also specific techniques of psychotherapy, including hypnosis. Again, we'll return to the idea of altering consciousness through psychotherapy in later chapters. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and I will see you back after you have completed Unit 1 exam in your Module 6 instructions.